There are different types of manual restraints. The first one I will be talking about is the halter and lead rope. The halter is the mildest manual restraint. You have to make sure that it fits the horse properly by not going too far down their nose or too high up their cheekbones. Chain over the nose adds additional restraint that a regular lead rope and halter does not have. To put it on, slide it through the first ring of the halter towards the horse's face, up and over the noseband, and through the ring on the other side, flipping it to the ring by his cheek with the snap out. Unclip the snap and take it back through the rings the way you came, as quietly and as quickly as you can so as not to startle the horse. The next manual restraint is the lip chain, which is more severe than the chain over the nose. Start on the outside and put the chain through the first ring towards the horse, then go from the inside out on the second ring and clip to the cheek piece ring with a snap facing out. Gently lift up the horse's upper lip and slide the chain onto their gums. Hold down with constant downward pressure to make sure it doesn't fall out of the horse's mouth. To remove the lip chain, slide it out of the horse's mouth without hitting the teeth, and unsnap from the opposite side and slide the chain back the way you came, quickly and quietly so as not to startle the horse. Here I am preparing the lip twine by using baling twine to make a big loop, make a knot in it, and cut off the excess. The lip twine is similar to the lip chain. It can be used if you need a quick manual restraint and you don't have a chain with you. Start by looping it through the ring on the halter on the opposite side of the horse. Pull it through the ring on the other side of the halter and clip the lead rope onto it. Take the twine and gently slide it into the horse's mouth and onto their gums. Just like the lip chain, you also want to keep steady downward pressure. To take it off, release the pressure and unclip the lead rope. Pull it out of the rings of the halter and untie it. The next manual restraint is the twitch, which is used to distract the horse from what you are trying to do, like clipping or passing a nasogastric tube. The longer the handle is, the more control you have, and it is easier to hold on to. You have to make sure not to let it go, as it can become a lethal weapon to anyone around. On the twitch, put your fingers through the rope while leaving your pinky out. Grab the nose and quickly twist the handle of the twitch to tighten it so that it stays in place. To remove, twist the other way and let the rope come off the horse's nose. Gently rub the nose after to bring circulation back to the area. When using a twitch, you have to carefully plan out the timing. Up until 3 minutes, there is slight pain for the horse. 3 to 5 minutes, endorphins are released to relieve pain. 10 to 12 minutes, it becomes painful again, and the twitch should be removed because the horse will then be in severe pain and will lead to damage of the tissues in the nose. The horse may also react very strongly and dangerously. The next manual restraint is the shoulder roll, which is used when you are in need of a quick restraint. It is hard on the human for any length of time. The shoulder roll gets the horse to move away from you with the pressure. You start at the horse's shoulder, grab a handful of skin right in front of their shoulder, twist and push on their neck to move the horse away from you. The last manual restraint is the leg lift, which can be used when clipping and the horse won't let you get their leg, or when you need the horse to stand still. You need a front leg to stay down. You lift the opposite leg and hold it up so that the horse will be forced to stand on those 3 legs. If you need a hind leg to stay down, you want to lift the front leg on the same side because it's harder for the horse to pick up a hind leg if a front leg is up. Do the leg lift, pick up a leg, hold it with the outside hand under the hoof and the inside hand supporting the knee. Once you are done, gently release the horse's leg onto the ground.